Lawyers can charge $200 an hour, and sometimes even more. But what if I told you that AI tools are already doing some of their work in seconds, and for pennies on the dollar? The legal industry is shaking, firms are scrambling, and regular people like you and me now have access to legal power that used to cost thousands. In this video, I'm revealing 5 AI tools that are completely changing the legal industry, and why this shift could actually benefit you more than anyone else. Stick with me, because the 5th tool I'll show you is so powerful, some firms are calling it the end of the billable hour. Welcome back to Next Gen AI Tools, the channel where we break down how artificial intelligence is transforming business, finance, and now even the world of law. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe right now, because the AI revolution is moving fast, and I don't want you to get left behind. Here's the truth. AI won't replace lawyers completely. But lawyers who use AI will replace lawyers who don't. And for entrepreneurs, business owners, and freelancers, this is a huge opportunity. You can access tools that used to only be available through expensive legal teams, saving you money, protecting your business, and even giving you an advantage over competitors who can't keep up. Let's start with the most famous one. DoNotPay, often called the world's first robot lawyer. This tool started as a chatbot to help people fight parking tickets, but it has grown into so much more. Today, DoNotPay can help you cancel unwanted subscriptions, request refunds, draft letters, and even file basic legal claims. Think about it. A lawyer might charge $300 to write a simple letter to a company about a refund. DoNotPay does it instantly, for just a few dollars a month. Now, here's the twist. This doesn't mean lawyers are disappearing. What it really means is that small cases that lawyers never wanted to handle anyway are being automated. That frees up lawyers to focus on bigger, more complex cases. And for us, everyday people and small businesses, it means access to justice just got way cheaper. And that's just the beginning. If you thought a robot lawyer was surprising, wait until you see what AI can do with contracts, something every business needs. Tool 2. LawGeex. Contracts are the backbone of every business. Whether you're signing with a supplier, hiring an employee, or closing a deal with a client, contracts decide who wins and who loses in business. Normally, you'd pay a lawyer thousands of dollars to review every clause. But AI is changing that. LawGeex is an AI contract review system that can analyze agreements faster than any human lawyer. It doesn't just skim. It actually highlights risks, compares your contract against legal standards, and flags potential issues before you sign. One study showed that LawGeex reviewed contracts more accurately than a team of experienced lawyers, and it did it in just minutes, while the humans took hours. For small businesses, this is a game changer. It means you can walk into negotiations with the same confidence as a company paying a top law firm. And for large corporations? It saves millions in billable hours every single year. Now this one is really shaking up the industry. Tool 3. Harvey AI. Harvey AI is like ChatGPT, but it's trained specifically for the legal field. That means it can do things normal AI can't. Imagine being a lawyer preparing for a case. Instead of spending days drafting documents, Harvey AI can generate legal arguments, analyze case law, and even answer complex questions about regulations. Big law firms are already adopting Harvey because it makes their lawyers 5 times more productive. Instead of one lawyer handling 5 cases, they can now handle 20. And here's the important part. Harvey isn't replacing lawyers. It's giving them superpowers. But here's the scary thing for traditional firms. If one lawyer can do the work of 5, what does that mean for all the junior associates who normally do the grunt work? Some firms are already cutting back on entry-level hires. That's why some people call Harvey the AI that will end the old law firm model. Balance Scale. Tool 4. Casetext. legal research is one of the most time-consuming and expensive parts of being a lawyer. Junior associates and interns often spend entire days digging through cases, precedents, and legal opinions just to find one detail that could make or break a case. Casetext is changing all of that. This AI tool can search through millions of legal documents in seconds, and it doesn't just give you random results. It gives you context, relevance, and legal reasoning. This is huge for both lawyers and clients. For lawyers, it means they can focus on strategy instead of drowning in paperwork. For clients, it means faster answers and lower bills. And here's the kicker. Casetext was acquired by Thomson Reuters for $650 million. That's how seriously the legal industry is taking this AI shift. When a giant like Thomson Reuters invests that kind of money, it tells you one thing. AI in law isn't just a trend, it's the future. We've seen AI handling tickets, contracts, legal documents, and even case research. But the last tool on this list might be the most disruptive of all, because it's challenging the very idea of the billable hour, the foundation of how law firms make money. Balance Scale Tool 5. ContractPod AI, the end of the billable hour? Law firms have always billed by the hour. The longer it takes, the more money they make. But ContractPod AI is threatening to flip that model upside down. This tool manages the entire contract lifecycle, from drafting and negotiation, all the way to storing and analyzing agreements. It doesn't just automate, it learns from past contracts to improve accuracy. For businesses, this means contracts are done faster and more reliably. For law firms, it means they can't justify charging clients $300 an hour for tasks that an AI can do in minutes. Some firms are now offering flat rate or subscription models for legal work because clients demand it. And that's why many in the industry say tools like ContractPod AI could spell the end of the traditional billable hour. So what does all this mean for you? Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or even a law student, the message is clear. AI won't replace lawyers, but lawyers who use AI will replace those who don't. For clients, AI tools mean lower costs and faster results. For entrepreneurs, it means access to legal services that were once completely out of reach. And for forward-thinking lawyers, it means a chance to become more powerful, more efficient, and more in demand than ever before. Here's how you can take advantage of this shift today. If you're a business owner, start exploring AI tools like DoNotPay or LawGeex to cut costs. If you're a freelancer, position yourself as someone who knows how to use AI to make legal work smarter. If you're a lawyer or law student, learn these tools now, because the future belongs to those who master them. The legal industry is changing fast. AI isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. Some people are scared of it, but the smart ones are learning how to use it. If you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, not just in law, but in business and finance too, then make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Here on Next Gen AI Tools, we reveal the exact strategies and tools that can give you the edge in 2025 and beyond. Don't get left behind, join us today.